This is Aramis. Big dog. He's almost like a horse. Hello, this is Joan of Arc at rainy Bielefeld. And it's my first time to be here. We just had lunch with the family. And yeah, this is all new to me. So I'm in this neighborhood. Neighborhood in Ilonggo is Kasilingan. No, wait. So we are going home. In Ilonggo it's called Puli. So we're going home, Mapuli. We're going. Hello. Hello, this guy. So we're going home. We're leaving. Malakat na kami. And into the car. Yay, that's IKEA. But Irmgard hates it there. Sorry, IKEA. Place.
Around where you can, there is nothing. This is für die Flüchtlinge. They are going from the Ost or the East. They are coming here, and these are built one street after the Second
World War.
Yeah. And
This is just one street.
I buy in Kombi. I buy my
Kombi.
yeah, and yeah, and the Apotheke, no, pharmacy.
Apotheke?
No.
Pharmacy.
This is where I buy my newspaper on Saturday. It's a
Saturday Zeitung.
From South Germany, not from the region, and is a little better in the statements.
Okay.
This is a station.
A station.
Here, the station where you come out, and the other side you have to go in the. But they are building. This is a Sparkasse, the bank.
Bank.
Yeah, the
Okay.
bank. And this is Aldi.
Aldi.
Yeah,
All around.
this is
Our supermarket.
Yes, that is fini. Aldi. Jetzt ist fini. Brake is fini. This is the station.
That's the station.
When you arrive, you have
That's
to
the
go
same
there,
station.
But the departure, the Ankunft is the other side.
So you just showed me the station.
So,
I like
das
the
ist
roundabouts.
roundabout. Und das ist, this is my pharmacy.
Pharmacy.
Yeah. And
Apotheke.
my doctor is here.
That's her?
Dr. Hoffmann. Yeah.
Oh, Dr.
This is
Hoffmann.
my doctor.